A lot to say about the struggles of FEU. Net defense, excellent floor defense, very efficient kaya naman. Kanina, 5-1. Ngayon, 10-6 na. Lamang na rito ang Lady Falcons.
Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Vivas again! Trying to make something happen out of nothing, and nothing happened.
Yes, impatience now. Getting in amidst the struggles of the Lady Tamaraws.
And of course, salamat sa mga kaibigan natin sa Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Pero tama sinasabi ni Nes Pamila, tignan nyo yung scoreboard. Tayo, ilang puntos na score natin? Isa. Sila, 10.
Tama yan.
Oo.
Joanna Botor Carpio also doing an excellent job. Just placing the sets so well. Kanyang mga attackers, very efficient. Poor defense once again. Poor reception for the Lady Tamaraws.
And you know the feeling, Ronnie Magsalok, as a coach, when you call a timeout and you are scored against.
Correct. At yung libero pa ang nagkaroon ng faulty reception. A little breakdown here on the concentration, on the focus of FEU. And once again, that's just mental breakdown here for the Lady Tamaraws.
And Dak is still can afford to smile after that, but back-to-back service aces now para dito kay Jill Gustilo.
Meron kasing inis factor eh. Dahil for the last 2 meetings, wala ka pa ni isang set na
Yes.
nakukuha. Eh alam mo naman na mahusay kang koponan.
Well, eto kayo, Mayat Carolina on the combination, and FEU will need more of that against Adamson.
Because of that good reception, now they are able to attack, finally getting a point after being stuck at 6.
Well, 13-7 right now. Adamson is up by 6. Here's Mayat Carolino again with that running serve. Joanna Botor Carpio setting up Paulina Soriano. Coverage there by Dakis. Attacking is De Leon. Carpio sets up Lagunas with the left hand. And here's Syra Gonzalez, her running attack. Gata. Carpio for Soriano. Oh! Miscommunication there between Syra Gonzalez and Ruby De Leon.
Vivas tried to set that play for the Lady Tamaraws. Kanya nga lang huli na. And ngayon, the Lady Falcons doubling their score against the Lady Tamaraws, 14-7 sa ating second set.
And if we're going to look at the numbers later on ng ating second set, we will see that the errors are piling up again para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. Here's Carpio setting up Sang Laguillas, dug up there by De Leon. Gonzalez for Vivas. Carpio, Laguillas, Carolino, De Leon, back set for Gonzalez. Carpio attacking on the second touch, and she has done that so well.
And once again, Gustilo saving that play para sa Lady Falcons. Because of her excellent defense here, it will allow Joanna Botor to once again locate the gap sa depensa dito ng FEU.
And a substitution here, the guest players check out as Minerva Dulcepante is still very, very cool because she's up by 8. But the guest players check out for FEU. It is the injured April Jose and itong si Monique Chanco, the freshman, coming in right now. So 2 teenagers now replacing the 2 guest players. And Syra Gonzalez, mukhang makakaganda yata yung pagbalik ni April Jose dito sa lineup ng FEU.
Yan. At alam mo, bubunot ka na pag nothing is going right. And you talk about injuries. Injury to Tina Salak also hurting the cause of FEU late here in the tournament.
Service ace from Syra Gonzalez. She has scored back-to-back points now for FEU.
Kukunti yung production dito ni Syra Gonzalez. But of course, this is still not a lost cause sa ating second set. Kanya nga lang, back against the wall sila dito in trying to play catch-up ball against the Lady Falcons.
Gonzalez once again, but this time her serve, that is her second service error for today. And it allows Adamson to climb to a 7-point lead into our second technical timeout. We'll be right back. Back with us here, ladies and gentlemen, at the arena. Unti-unti na po silang pumapasok dito. Numinipis na yung pila sa labas, but that's not gonna last long. And of course, within this crowd, we find our Shakey's face of the day. And there she is. That is Jean Iida, 19 years old, from Tondo, Manila, who will share her pizza with Ronnie Magsanok, Miyaka Lim, and myself.
Please come over here to the panel.
Kailangan lang natin ng konting merienda. Kasi exciting game. 7-point lead here for Adamson. But again, tama sinabi mo kanina, Coach Ronnie, bumunot na si Coach Nes Pamilar because it doesn't seem to be working for FEU.
Yes, nothing is working para sa kanyang game plan. Hahanap ka na ng contingency plan, so to speak. At least, pumupuntos na sila rito sa ating second set kanina. Talagang nakapako sila sa 6 points.
Well, it is now 16-10. Cherry May Vivas will be serving right here. A 3-1 run here para sa opponent ng FEU. This is pretty good. Castillo on her knees to get that one. Free ball coming up. Here's April Jose setting up Makayla Iris Morada. And Gata kept that one alive. But now, all of a sudden, nung pumasok yung dalawang freshman para sa FEU, biglang umarangkada ng opensa nila.
They are communicating better. They are setting better. And now the attackers are getting the right setup. Kaya naman sila rito ay 5 na lang ang hinahabol sa ating second set. 16 for the Lady Falcons, 11 Lady Tamaraws.
And here comes 18-year-old Cherry May Vivas. Putting it in play. Here's Gata. Carpio back set ngayon to Angela Benting. And sabi ni Benting, kanina pa ako naghihintay ng bola. Finally, may dumating na sa akin.
At yan ay dahil sa regalo ni Joanna Carpio, who has been extremely efficient. Close to 80% success sa kanyang mga sets.
At umatake pa.
Correct.
Another service ace here for Adamson, and they keep on piling up those aces here in the second set.
Parang hindi masustain ng FPA yung focus nila in trying to sustain their comeback. Ngayon, 7 na naman ang kanilang hinahabol.
Gonzalez feels it. Here comes Dakis. Carpio attacking. Tagana saves it. Back set ngayon para dito kay Morada. Here's Carpio. And Gustilo goes long.
She wanted a check ball.
Looks like Morada might have injured herself on that play.
Pagpag lang yan.
Oo, konting pagpag.
Pagpag lang yan.
Konting tapilok. Alam mo, itong mga sapatos nila compared to what we wear in basketball, hindi high cut yung mga yan. I don't even know if they tape their ankles.
I hope so. I hope that they do. Morada from Moraita. Pagpag lang yan.
Pwede.
Pagpag.
Bautista denied by Dakis.
And I like the emotions now for Rachel Dakis. They may be behind, no? But kailangan nila talaga mag-generate ng emotions because very flat yung start nila rito sa ating second set at sila ay nabaon na naman ng napakalaking kalamangan.
Well, itong si Rachel Ann Dakis, she is the captain. She leads by example, but now it's time for her to lead by emotions as well. Here's Gustilo off the block. April Jose, back set ngayon for Morada. Dug up there by Gustilo. Carpio. Bautista with a power tip there. Here comes Dakis once again. Gata keeps it alive. Carpio. Gustilo going long again. Nanggigigil na si Jill Gustilo. She wants to put FEU away with one shot, which
Correct.
is impossible.